The vehicle may be experiencing some of these symptoms. The check engine light is on, decreased fuel economy, the engine is idling rough and may also have trouble starting. In addition, fuel mileage has decreased, incorrect fuel level on gauge in instrument cluster. Start by visually inspecting the engine for obvious mechanical signs such as torn inlet boots, missing or broken vacuum tees and hoses, etc. Always check for cracked or broken fuel hoses, vacuum lines, pipes, and fuel cap. This fault may be caused by shorted fuel level sensor, sensing arm stuck mechanically, failed fuel pump. For additional service information, refer to the service manual. Once you've confirmed there's no obvious condition causing the check engine light to illuminate, it's time to retrieve the fault codes. Turn the ignition to the key on engine off position. Connect the tool, and wait for the results to display. There is a P0461 fuel level sensor stored. Select the freeze frame button to view the engine conditions, recorded at the time of the malfunction. After you've retrieved the vehicle's data, connect the tool to the Repair Solutions 2 app via Bluetooth. Click TSB Recalls for technical service bulletins and important safety recall information. It's important to check the published service information first. There may be a technical service bulletin issued for the vehicle condition. Repair Solutions 2 also provides you with technician-verified fixes, in addition to the necessary parts and tools for a repair. In this case, Repair Solutions 2 is recommending the replacement of the fuel pump. By clicking the Buy button, you will be automatically redirected to the retail website, where the parts and tools are sold. The fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank. Remove and inspect for damage, then it should be replaced with a new one. Once the repair has been completed, then erase the fault codes. Confirm the repair was done correctly by following the drive cycle procedure until the monitor icons turn green. For more information, visit Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.